And hello again everyone. Today we're on a Jaguar XF for 2017. The customer's complaint was a battery drain. I've got here, the battery's completely dead. I'm currently charging it with a van, trying to get it started so that I can get some charge into the battery to then turn the ignition off and take a amp reading from the battery. But to do that, I have to get in the boot and close the boot and lock the car to turn all the computers off because the battery's in the boot. So it's going to be a bit of a tricky one. So I'm going to give it a few more minutes, let the battery get some more charge into it, and then we'll turn that one off, my van off, and then we'll try and start this. Right then, let's try and start it. Didn't want to do it last time. Sorry about that. Nothing. It will not start. I'm thinking the battery is completely dead. Well, it is completely dead. So we cannot get to start. So I can't do a drain test, which is a pain in the arse. Gonna have to. Well, I can do a drain test. I'm going to get some charge into it, turn everything off, get in the boot, and we'll do this drain test quick. I'll just show you what I'm working with here. You can see there's clearly been some water damage or water intrusion in the boot. This has been full up to about here with water, corroded terminals. You know, really doesn't look good. No corrosion there as well. Look, you know, all needs taken apart and cleaning. This relay here looks like it's got some water damage, and then there's another connector down there that's clearly got the green cancer. So yeah, all these are issues that need solving before we can start to do any correct pinpointing of faults. This is going to be all the fault. This is the problem, obviously. So we're going to have to clean all these connections up, get everything sorted, get a new battery in, and that should be it on this one. I don't know why it's not starting. That's not why I've been called out here. It's for a battery drain. I'm guessing because the battery's dead, not enough power to put all the systems on to get it started properly. So we will carry on charging it, and then I'm going to get in the boot. I'll film while I'm in here, and then thankfully I have my lovely lady with me. Otherwise I'd be a bit worried about doing this by myself, because if the boot release button doesn't work, I can't get out. So anyway, she's here to save me if I get stuck. No, don't run away, don't leave me in there. I'm filming as well, just so you know, so don't swear. Right, I'm getting in. Oh, it's tight squeeze. Right. My other leg's in. Sit on the battery. One sec. I need that earth cable there. Right, we're in. Okay. Light on. Right, darling. One sec. This is really actually, I'm quite claustrophobic. It's scary.
Well, I'll be right here. I'll press it.
Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Go on, close it. We'll get the meter set up. DC. Clear it. We'll lock it. Then we'll start monitoring the amps. So we're at 3.6. It'll start dropping down as computers start to turn off. 1.7, 1.5. Come on, we want to see 0.2 or less, 0.3 or less. Come on. Right, I'll give it a sec. It's probably going to take a few minutes, and then I'll carry on filming in a minute. Back shortly. Right, I daren't move or even raise my voice. But we got 0.2. I don't want to set the alarm off. 0.2, 0.18. 0.17. Oh, it knows I'm in here. There we go, no drain. It's a rubbish battery and dirty connections. So, yeah, we'll quote this guy to supply and fit a battery and clean the connections, I guess. And we'll leave this video here. I'll start talking a bit louder now because I don't care if the alarm goes off. We've got the measurements, got the reading. It's all healthy. So, I think we'll leave this video here. Well, I won't. I'll get out the boot and then I'll finish up. One sec. Wait, let's unlock. See how much amps it uses on unlock. Boom, 4.5, 8 and 8 point. Spiked up to 8 then. Can we get out the boot? Oh, lovely. Daylight. Oh yeah.
I didn't open that.
I did it. Right, back in a sec, guys. Oh, thank God I'm out of there. Can you believe I was in there? Anyway, yeah, knackered battery, no drain, dirty connections, needs sorting. And that is that. That's this one diagnosed. I'll let the customer know, and we'll end the video here and try and get back before rush hour. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe as always. See you again soon. Right then, it's late at night. I'm back on this car. I can't remember where I last left off, but I'm going to try and get this video wrapped up because I've just come to the conclusion of what the issue is with this car, and I'm a bit annoyed that I didn't spot it sooner, but there's only so many things you can do in order to narrow down a problem. Anyway, we did the battery. There was a issue with the battery. It was a battery drain is what I got called out here for. Did the battery, there was no battery drain. Battery's flat, so we put a new battery on it. Tried to get the vehicle started, the vehicle wouldn't start. Found that the camshaft position sensor needed changing. Changed the camshaft position sensor. However, that permanent fault went away. However, now there's an intermittent fault. There's two permanent faults, as we can see, for the piston, cooling, oil jet, solenoid control circuit open. That shouldn't prevent the vehicle from starting. This clears, but it comes back when I crank, and I'll explain why. And this is glow plug cylinder 4 open circuit, so it'll be a knackered glow plug, but most likely, but that won't stop it from starting either. I was worried the timing chain might have been snapped, so I pulled the sensor out, watched the, put a mark on there on the reluctor wheel, and it moved. So I was happy that the timing chain wasn't broken. And then I've just done some digging, and it turns out that the timing chain is stretched because it's actually a range performance issue, and there will be a reason why the timing chain is stretched. I'll show you now. That'll be why. If I'll wipe that and dip it again. One sec. Well, can't do it one-handed. Anyway, I can promise you, if I wipe that and dip it again, it's right on the bottom of the dipstick. That's the only place there's any oil, and it's thin, really bad quality. So this car has not been serviced properly, and it's been run low on oil, and the chain has stretched. So that's why this is now a non-runner. So it needs a new timing chain. And I think there's two chains on this car, and it needs to come out. So the engine needs to come out. So I will not be doing that. I'm going to unfortunately have to let the owner know what the issue is with the vehicle now, and I can end this video. So yeah, that is the issue on that one. I didn't want to talk too loud there because I'm out in the street and it's late at night. So yeah, another quality. Well, no, that's unfair to blame them, because this is down to poor maintenance, or no maintenance. So it's the owner or the owners that have let this happen. What's the mileage on it? 162. Well, that's another thing to take into account. But anyway, yeah, it's past its sell-by date essentially, and it needs a new chain. And that should hopefully sort it if it hasn't caused other issues in the engine. If the engine's been run low on oil, do you want to change the chain on a car like this, or just want to bin the car? Because what other damage has been done to internal components? You'll have to basically start checking cam lobe, stuff like that, see if there's any wear, bearings, stuff. I bet if it does start, it probably doesn't sound that great. So is it worth spending thousands on doing the chains? Anyway, let's leave it there. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will be back again soon with some more videos.